The auto-rotate feature on the iPhone is super useful, especially for apps that work better in a specific layout, whether in portrait or landscape mode. So it can be frustrating when your iPhone won't rotate as expected. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. If your screen isn't rotating when you tilt your iPhone, the first thing to check is whether auto-rotate is enabled. Open the control center and make sure the portrait orientation lock is turned off. Then open an app that supports landscape mode and tilt your phone sideways. If the screen rotates, your issue is solved. If not, let's go through some additional fixes. Keep in mind that not all apps support landscape mode. Some apps are designed to stay in portrait orientation, so if your screen won't rotate in a specific app, try testing it in another one like Safari or Photos. Also, keeping your apps updated can help, as developers often introduce new features and bug fixes. To check for updates, open the App Store. Tap your profile icon and scroll through the list of installed apps. If an update is available, tap Update next to the app. Additionally, updating your iPhone's software might resolve the issue. To do this, go to Settings, then navigate to General, then Software Update. Then download and install any available updates. Sometimes a simple force restart can fix minor software glitches as well. To do a force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slowly, Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. If none of these methods work, it's possible that the issue is hardware related. If your iPhone has been dropped or exposed to physical damage, its sensors responsible for detecting rotation may have been affected. In that case, the best option is to contact Apple support for further diagnosis. If your iPhone is still under warranty, Apple may repair for free. That's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you fix the rotation issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.